to make miniature white Sperrys. I start off with a template I made of tracing my doll's foot. I'm using an obitsu 27 nail slim. Now I'm going to cut out my shape after I rolled out clay on the thickest setting of my pasta machine. On the thinnest setting of my pasta machine, I'm going to take my template and make a little heel for it. Now I'm just going to design a little pattern for the bottom of my soles. Bake. Now I freehanded a side for my shoe. Now I'm going to mix my clay. I'm trying to get an ecru color, so here are all the colors I mixed, and I got like this really off-white color. I like it. It's kind of like beige, but light, a really light beige. Ecru-any. On the thinnest setting on my pasta machine, I'm going to cut out my shape. With Deco gel, I glue on one side. Bake that before I get onto the next side. Also, with your ball tool, you're going to smooth it out. I left a little V shape in the back. And now I'm going to smooth in the front. Just going to smooth it out before I bake it. Once baked, I'm going to do a shoe fit. Now I'm going to put in the top of the shoe. I'm going to glue it on with Deco gel. And I'm going to press upwards to get like a little lip to the shoe. I'm going to cut off a little bit. I have too much. Got some excess here. There we go. On the thinnest setting, again, I'm going to cut out another shape. This will be to the back of my shoe. I did this because I was afraid it wasn't going to fit correctly, but now I know it does. The doll's foot fits perfectly. So I'm just going to go ahead and close this up, smooth it out. Now for some details. So I'm just going to cut out shapes go on the shoe. I think this part explains itself, so I won't really say much except that I use my ball tool to make details, which you can see here. I'm trying to smooth it out nice, and then I'm going to add stitches to make it look like, you know, the shoe was sewn together, but you know, of course it's not. It's made out of clay. Add the last finishing touch and you're done. I hope you guys really love this video this week. If you have a shoe that you want me to do, please leave a comment below telling me the brand and the style. Be specific, and I'll catch you guys next week. Shout out to We Love Doll Photography on Facebook. I love you guys so much. Thank you for supporting me on YouTube, and I hope you guys will try out these shoes and show me your pictures. Thanks for watching.